Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknath Khadse Talent School Muktinagar online tutorial. I am Sachin Patil, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to solve worksheet second. See, first you write your name here. I am writing my name. You write your name in this way. Understand? Okay. Now see. Read the first question. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Here are some words are given in the color. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words are given and here are the fill in the blanks. These words we have to write here. How we can write? First read the sentence. The process of growth is slow. The process of growth is slow. The process of growth is slow. This slow you write here. Okay? And dash dash cannot talk. An infant cannot talk. You write here infant. An infant cannot talk. An infant cannot talk. Third, a dash dash grows into a big tree. A dash dash grows into a big tree. Saplings grows into a big tree. Saplings. A saplings grows into a big tree. A saplings grows into a big tree. This you write here. Okay? The skin of an old person gets wrinkled. This word you write. Get wrinkled. The skin of the old person. The skin of an old person gets wrinkled. Wrinkled. Wrinkled means what? Wrinkle means what? Having a lines or the folds. The old person having a lines on his face. Having a lines on his face or the fold. That is called wrinkle. Understand? That is called wrinkle. Now next question. That is tick the correct statement. Tick the correct statement and put a cross near to wrong statement. This statement is true, you tick here. If this statement is wrong, you put a cross. Okay? Animals do not grow. This statement is true or false? This statement is false. Animals do grow. So this statement is false. You put a cross here. A newborn child is called a youth. A newborn child is called a youth. This statement is true or false? This statement is wrong. False. So what you put here? You make a cross here. The skin of very old person gets wrinkled. The skin of very old person gets wrinkled. Yes. The skin of the old person gets wrinkled. This statement is true. You make a tick here. Seeds grow into saplings. Seeds grow into saplings. Yes, this statement is true. This statement is true. A child grows into an infant. This statement is wrong. A child grows into an infant. This is wrong. A child grows into a teenager. What you? Teenager. This statement is false. Okay? All living, circle, make a circle, the correct answer. Here are the 5 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these are the options. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. These are the options. Which option is correct? You make a circle. You make a circle around that word. First we read the sentence. All living, non-living things grow. Which is correct? living, all living. So you make a circle here. All living things grow. Okay? Now, young of animals become big small animals. Young of animals become big animals. Young of animals become big animals. Huh? Young of animals become big animals. Then a young person becomes old. A young person becomes old. Okay? You make a circle here. A child can walk. A child can walk. You make a circle here. Understand? A young person has a gray hair and an old person has a gray hair. Which one is come here? A young. So what will come? An old. An old person has gray hairs. An old person has a gray hairs. In this way you can make a circle with to the correct answer. Understand? Now turn the page. On the next page, see. What is the question? Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First, read the first question. What name is given to young one of a cow? What name is given to young one of a cow? Huh? What name you give young one of the cow? Calf. Calf name is given to young one of a cow. Calf. Huh? What name is given to young one of a cow? Huh? Calf. Calf name. Calf. You write calf. What? Here you write calf, and from this to this you can write here. From this you can write here. Name calf name is given to young one of a cow. Okay? Now see. Which animal does a kitten grow into? Which animal does a kitten grow into? Huh? A kitten grow into cat. What you write? A kitten. This one you write here. A kitten grow into cat. A kitten grow into cat. Okay? A kitten grows into a cat. Okay? Now see. What happens to the skin during old age? What happens to the skin during old age? Huh? Wrinkle. Skin gets wrinkle. Skin wrinkled. Skin wrinkled. Okay? Skin wrinkled during the old age. Okay? Now next question. What is growth? What is growth? See, what is growth? animals and human beings. Human beings grow bigger, grow bigger and taller with age. With age is called growth. Animals and human beings grow bigger and taller with age is called growth. Understand? What is growth? Animals and human beings grow bigger and taller with age is called growth. Define infant. Define infant. Infant means what? A newborn child. A newborn child. A newborn child who cannot talk, walk and eat food is called infant. Is called infant. A newborn child who cannot talk, walk and eat food is called infant. Understand? So these are the questions and answers. Thank you, student. I hope you enjoyed the today's session. Now we will come on the next chapter. Chapter 4, worksheet first. Thank you.